been on with 2 agents over a period of about 18 months or perhaps more, and we just weren't getting any feedback or much in the way of viewings, so we realised we needed to try and stimulate some more interest.
But also the bungalow that we were interested in and started to buy was through Preston Baker.
It was, so that sort of led us to Preston Baker.
Very pleased we did it.
Yeah, well, we immediately found we were getting a lot more people through the door, a lot more interest than we'd had with other agents. So in that respect, it was quite a big change.
Very big change. It came all of a sudden, didn't it?
Yeah.
All the viewings. It was just.
So the viewings happened within, I think, a day or
a day, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, a day.
Yeah.
So it was much more proactive. Yes, so we were happy. We got feedback. There was always feedback, which we'd always been a bit lacking on with other agents. So I think, we were happy.
Somebody rang every week, didn't they, for an update and to keep us informed. So we can't complain on that one at all. And, that was very good. We'd recommend them. In fact, I did.
Yeah.
I did.